Kind of a breezy day here at the Rosie the Riveter National Historic Park. And it's in a very scenic place. This was a Ford factory. And then World War II started and they manufactured tanks, Jeeps, and other war materials because it was illegal to make civilian cars during. And so it was a very, very cool place. First time I've been here. The visitor center isn't open. You got to check the time, but it is a very interesting place to visit, and it's a lot of fresh air right here on the shores of San Francisco Bay. Check it out. See Berkeley in the distance over there, and then the city right there. Golden Gate Bridge peeking out.